Hey guys, Dan here. Today I want to show you some of my small paintings and also I want to talk to you why it's good to make such small paintings from time to time. First thing that I figure out during my practice is that you can be more focused on exact detail without looking at the rest of the painting. Because space is too limited and you have to show the main thing that you suppose in exact painting. For example, if you are not good at painting stones, such limited space just takes your attention and effort to make these stones look more attractive, to beautify your little painting, cause there is nothing more to look at, aside from a large artwork, with a lot of other objects and details. And some of you might say, then, but you have kind of landscapes in such small piece. Well, yeah, I have, but it's a little bit different story. The second thing is that after all those practices in different topics and painting different objects, you can combine all your knowledge and make one bigger artwork that you always wanted, but were lacking experience of how to make exact details. Probably some of you will not agree, but it's also okay because we all have our own ways, but I'm just sharing what worked for me. Plus, by making small paintings, you definitely gonna save more paints and surfaces, be it canvas or board or whatever you paint on. Reason number 3. You can have a daily painting practice. This is a great way to maintain and develop your skills but not get overwhelmed. All the same art principles apply, but you get to your last stroke so much quicker, learning faster because you see the painting process all the way through in a much shorter amount of time. In addition, no need to worry about space. Moving small canvases, packing, transporting and mailing them all becomes much easier. So these are 3 main reasons why it's good to make small paintings. See you soon again guys in some other videos. Bye bye.